Howdy, Crosscut. Howdy. What are you doing today? I'm replacing a header. Look up above me. See, looky there. Got that header. We've got to make it. We need a bigger opening. So I've got me, which I'm going to tell the guys what to do. And then we've got Dennis over here. He's got to be the straw boss. And the guy behind the camera, that's me. Well, I'm just going to be here just for extra help. Okay, are we ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay, here we go. That stud, and you can go down on it and it should pull out. Okay, watch out. Yeah, go ahead. I've got this side. Just stay out of the way of everything. Going down with it.
Okay, watch nails.
All right, hold it. Got it? Not yet. Okay, now.
All right, I got it. It's going outside.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, go ahead.
Watch that big old splinter up there. Okay.
All right, go ahead. Hold it. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm going to have to get out the door with it.
Okay. Let me try it this way. Oh, there it goes.
Watch that thing don't pop out and get you. All right. You're going to have to drop it way down. There you go.
Oh, I'm sticking to the floor.
Yeah, I know. If you're not careful, you get stuck to the floor. No, drop it way down.
Okay.
Okay. Got room yet? Can you come up? Okay. All right. I gotta move. So hang on. Okay. Let's go.
All right. Okay, we're up there now.
Okay, you're on that stud?
Yep.
All right. Oh shit, I think this thing's too long. Are we all the way over that way? Damn. All right. I've got this. You just hang on.
Okay, I got this.
I just pick it up just a little bit. Right there. Okay, now do.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I got this in.
All right.
Perfect, huh?
Okay. Got it all the way now. Just okay. Hold it right there.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. All right, close it.
All right.
Okay, same thing. We'll get your end in first.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Just one nail over here.
Yeah, get a nail in there somewhere. Okay. Now, let me get out of the way.
Shit. It's around here somewhere. Oh, it's
Right
right
here.
here.
Take
It's
mine.
right now. It's right.
Let's see, where's that nail? Right here. All right, beat this in until this tightens up.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Okay, now get you a couple nails in there. Alright, and then alright, before I can come down, grab a hold of that one on the ceiling and just hang on to it.
Okay, I got it.
I mean, it's nailed, but
Yeah, I got it.
alright, hang on, Nick, you hand it to me.
Pull it out of the way of this thing. You want me to
Okay.
pull it down?
Pull it down.
There.
Got it, thank you.
Do you have another block, Lee? Another block? Yeah. Did you want me to put one here?
Well, we put that long header in there, and the decorator came in and said the refrigerator should not be facing the main part of the room. So now we're having to close it in, and we're coming in from this way. Where the refrigerator, as it's sitting now, will just slide back into that hole. And I'm going to blame it all on Crosscut. See what we're doing, we're taking that water heater, took this wall out. That's where that header went in up there. Took the wall out across here. We're going to take the water heater and move it farther out, because the fridge is going to go where the water heater is now, make this kitchen a little bit bigger. So we're still working on it.